Hello, my name is Sky from Crewe Motor Match, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle. Now in stock we have this Nissan Juke 1.2 litre DIG-T N-Connecta, coming in a beautiful black colour, which is enhanced by the black window surrounds, black grille with chrome insert, and privacy glass, adding to the look of the car as well as the security. Finishing off the exterior beautifully, we have the 17-inch gloss black alloy wheels. This car benefits from the automatic lights and wipers, as well as the electric folding and heated door mirrors. At the rear of the car we have the boot, with the variable boot floor giving this already spacious boot additional room for luggage or shopping. Moving on to the interior of the car, in the back we have 3 full-size seats with manually adjustable headrests and ISOFIX points on the outside too. We have the black part leather and suede upholstery with cloth inserts and light contrast stitching, making the interior sleek and stylish. This is paired perfectly with the black headlining and the eye-catching white door and dash inserts, brightening up the cabin of the car. On the dash we have the black perforated leather steering wheel, which is also multifunction, helping you safely and easily control the infotainment device features, as well as the cruise control with speed limiter. For all of your entertainment needs, we have the display screen in the centre of the dash. This houses Nissan Connect, Bluetooth connectivity so you can always listen to your favourite playlist, DAB digital radio, satellite navigation for all of the unknown roads, as well as displaying the rear view parking camera. Just below we have the air conditioning, perfect for the summer months ahead of us, as well as the USB port. RAC warranty is available on this vehicle. For more information or to arrange a test drive, please call us on 01270 864408 or inquire online now. Thank you.